Here's how to repurpose a flea market find into a potting bench. Start by tracing the outline of an enamelware bowl in the center of one end of the table. Measure and mark another circle a ½ inch smaller so the bowl can rest in the hole. Drill a pilot hole and then use a jigsaw to cut the hole along the inner circle. Clean up the surface and sand the edges smooth. Remove the hinges from the underside of one of the drop leaves. Form the backboard by attaching the drop leaf perpendicular to the table. We used 3 corner braces. Next, drill pilot holes for the 3 braces. Sand and paint all the exposed surfaces. We used a semi-gloss exterior paint. Next, attach the 3 braces. Drill pilot holes in the ends of 2 old garden tool handles. Use screws to attach the handles to a plywood shelf. These are the supports for the shelf. Use deck screws to attach the shelf to the backboard. Our shelf is about 6 inches deep. Place the bowl in the hole, and now you're ready to customize. We added vintage faucet knobs to one side and repurposed them into hooks for hand tools. We added a storage box for organizing seed packets. And we added a wire bicycle basket to the other side for additional storage. To increase your work surface, simply fold up the drop leaf using the bracket underneath. The bowl can serve as a removable sink, a great feature for mixing up potting soil and for catching plant trimmings. What was an outdated piece of furniture is now a fully functional potting bench that will be right at home in your backyard.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.